Good afternoon, good morning, everywhere, anywhere you are in this world. So we are in the Kigali Coding. Kigali Coding project is the project that is started by PC Select Limited. PC Select Limited is the company that provided the service, the different service, especially supplying the IT materials, and now we bring software in order to combine all those. You know that the IT equipment doesn't work itself without and this web, this other supporting web supporting services. So today we are going to talk about introduction to financial technology. Financial technology, fintech means simplified. There is how the financial problem being solved in different way, but now there is no need of document, there is no need of books, and another one. Now we have the new system that brings the change to the community of business. So we are going to talk about different things here. What is financial technology or fintech? We will see the banking before and after fintech, a briefly history of fintech, challenge of fintech, reward of fintech driving payment, and what is next for fintech. So uh, let's start with what is financial technology or fintech. A combination of the words financial and technology, fintech is the catch-all terms that applies to any technology that helps consumers and financial institutions deliver financial service in novel and the more convenient way. So here, what we are talking about, financial institutions, including banks, all including another companies, institution, organizations that provide the financial services, that provide the loans, all those financial services, all those services related to the money transfer, payment, and another one. So let's see banking before fintech. Long-term quicks at banks. So when you're going to request anything, any loan to the bank, it was taking a long time. It was taking a long time in getting the service you want because there is a big number of people, and also those big number of people made the process of getting what you want in any kind of banks uh, to take a long time. So the process take a long time, but that's how it was working before fintech. Manual transfer of payment means that when you want to transfer money to someone, means that before fintech comes, it was working manually. It was working manually. No electronic money being transferred, and a ton of paper involved. So here we're talking about when we start with when you start with a tons of paper is involved. When before fintech, it was taking a long, all big numbers of paper. Everything you're going to apply in banks, you need a paper to fulfill. You need a form to fulfill. But now you can get your money without going to the banks. Just simple request. So, banking with the fintech, people can track how their money moves in a real time. Any transfer, any change that can um, that you need to do, anything you need to do on banks, you need just to check it well. You need just to check it well in a real time. And online banking is available at 24/7. Like banking services now is open day and night. It was no longer taking the whole day and night to go to see what's going on your bank account. So the user can transfer the money instantly through banking apps. When you want money from the banks, you don't need to go to banks always. You can take any mobile application of the bank. That's how technology work. Makes things simplified. So let's take a look on briefly the history of fintech. In 1838, the electric telegraph was introduced for the first time, and in 1950, Dinner Club released and the first universal credit card. The first credit card comes back here in 1950. In 1982, the words was introduced Trade Plus, the online brokerage platform. And then the first version of Bitcoin was released in 2009. So, and then Google Pay was first launched, followed by Apple Pay in 2014. So, fintech segment according to transaction value. As for January, digital payment are leading the way, followed by the personal finance and alternative lending and alternative financing. So let us see the security or the role of cybersecurity in fintech. When you have money now, the world have other problem in different ways. So like you have money on your account and the hackers comes and then they take away your money. But when it comes to the cyber security, it is about protection of your money. You know, protection data is crucial because there is a lot of sensitive information involved in banking. Cybersecurity is non-negotiable. Financial institutions must have robust cybersecurity measures to protect the data of the consumers. Just that's the work of the bank, just security. And when it comes to this era of fintech, also the bank need to protect the data because those data is what anyone else, the hackers can use to lobbying your money. Let's see the challenge of fintech. The first fintech related app and solution they offer. Here we can talk about payment apps. These apps eases the payment experience of consumer and business owner alike. And investment apps, these apps provide an easy and simple avenue of individual to invest in a stock directly from your personal funds. And when it comes to the crypto apps, these types of online apps allow individuals to use cryptocurrencies and token in a transaction. You know, token when you have like mobile money, Airtel money, when you're going to pay, that's the token you are using. That's electronic money. So, top trending fintech list is the dangers posed by the fintech to consumers, money laundering risk, regulations are yet to be improved. Yeah, this is yet to be improved. Online hacking, hackers can gain access to your account. If the bank doesn't protect the information of the consumers, there are outside here online hackers who can access to your account because they have all your information, then they can lob you the money. So another risk is digital identity risk. Security code and password could be easily accessed. You must create the complicated password because nobody is going to know it at easy way if you protect it in that way, just complicated one. Leeward of fintech-driven payments, a closer look at the benefit of fintech powered by the payment. Greater speed, instant transfer of the fund. Like when you need money, you go to your phone, you transfer to someone directly, as I'm saying right now, and then the receiver get the money directly through the tokens. Enhance transparency, the clear trail of where money goes. Like you have when you're sending money to someone, is going to gain the money directly and then no need like the transparency. Like you have an information of the receiver, you pull in it where it is supposed to be, and then whew, the problem solved. So another things that being the reward of fintech, better security. You can rest assured that your money will not go astray. Know where your money can go while you protect all those information. So, what's next for fintech? Looking forward to the future, artificial intelligence and machine learning will further infiltrate and improve the fintech. That's the things going to happen. And fintech has transformed the banking industry for the better. That's how when it comes, let me give you the example. Just the customer services. Now it is the things that cared about so much because anybody, anyone can use that one. Can use the money, can you transfer easily and easy way. So let's talk about the security-based practice of successful fintech project. Next level data protection and encryption, secure decoder and architecture, secure authentication, good mobile encryption, and compliances. So, Jim Muller's financial institution must be able to deliver an easy to navigate, a seamless digital platform that goes for beyond miniaturized online banking offering. So this is what in Kigali coding we can tell you about the financial technology. So anyone who needs the financial system that can help them to improve your service and give the best customer care service to your consumer, you will need to build a system that can help you communicate, giving a good service to your customer. You can come in here in Kigali Coding. We are a project that relate to improve the way the business operates. If you have any questions, just send to us. Any offer you want to give us, send to us at email kigalicoding@gmail.com. My name is Uwela Stephanie. I'm marketing manager in Kigali Coding Project, which initiated by PC Select. So let's see next. Let's talk next to another episode. Bye.